Oh!
I'm working day and night. It's possible you're working for what you do. Your Excellency has put all his best and everything in your work. And I want to hand over to him so I hand over to the governor.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the Governor-elect. Alhaji Ahmad Usman-Ododo. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor-elect. Mr. Joel Salifu Oyibo. The state party chairman of our great party, the All Progressives Congress, Alhaji Abdullahi Bello. The secretary, let me appreciate the INEC for a wonderful job. They took their time and painstakingly followed through the due process. And this exercise was concluded today. I appreciate the leadership of INEC, the management, the staff, and all the supporters of INEC who made this exercise, both in KOGI State, in Bayelsa, and Dino State, a huge success. I appreciate all the other staff who have come to serve. I appreciate all the security agencies for the roles you have played. All the roles you played in one way or the other helped in the huge success we have achieved today. I thank all members of the intelligentsia for all the support you have given to us. We appreciate you and we urge you to continue to serve this great nation. I appreciate the good people of KOGI State once again, the electorate, who trooped out en masse, starting from campaign period to the electioneering period, who came out to elect the governor and deputy governor en masse. I didn't disappoint you, and I am confident that the governor-elect and the deputy governor-elect will not disappoint you. From where I shall stop, they will continue. They are tested and trusted. They have passed through the blast furnace, and they have come out so refined, shining like a gold. Give them all the necessary support. Your prayers and cooperation, KOGI will remain united ever and before. KOGI State will remain united, will remain developed. Let me tell each and every one of us, there is no tribalism in KOGI State. What is playing out is simply interests. But today, the good people of KOGI State have spoken loud and clear that we appreciate the good ones amongst us. And we can at all times tell those that are undeserved from our midst. Having said that, I extend the hands of fellowship on behalf of the governor-elect and deputy governor-elect, our party, and this current administration. Come on board. Still come and join me before I even wind down. And I know surely that the governor-elect is compassionate. He will definitely embrace and triumphant.
I thank all of my children.
All of my children. I thank all of you. I thank and appreciate my brothers and sisters. Starting from the most senior one, Professor Bello down to my sisters and brothers. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate who will I leave behind. Everybody appreciates you. Back to the processes. I appreciate the DG campaign. Prince Shaibu Abubakar Audi and all of your team for the wonderful job you have done. All those that have contributed financially and otherwise towards the success, I appreciate. Ranging from Governor Samuel Babajide of Lagos, Governor Muhammad Babu of Niger State, Governor A.A. Suleiman of Nasarawa State, and host of all of them, and all of the PGF governors under the leadership of the newly re-elected governor of Imo State, Governor Usman-Ododo. I congratulate you too. I appreciate the chairman of Nigeria Governors Forum, my own brother, Governor Abdulrazak Abdurrahman of Kwara State, for your immense contribution towards this success. I appreciate, not in order of importance, please, let me appreciate the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima, who have stood by me through the thick and thin, giving us all the advice and giving us moral support and every other support we need until we achieve this success. I appreciate all members of the National Assembly, all members of the Federal Executive Council for all of their support. I appreciate our traditional rulers, starting from His Royal Majesty, the Atta Igala, Alhaji Okulua Uche Apa II, CFR, for your support and your fatherly advice and your spiritual support at all times. I appreciate our Royal Father of blessed memory, the Uhinoi of Ibirana. May your soul continue to rest in perfect peace. I appreciate very profoundly the Obaru